Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Let's learn how to write the letter B. Capital B. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and draw a curve to the middle. Then again draw a curve joining the bottom. Small b. Start from the top and draw a standing line downwards. Go to the center of the line and add a curve touching the bottom of the line. Now you know how to write the letter B, so try to write it properly.